Hey everybody, Debbie Starr here. I want to ask you a question. What is the lifeblood of your business? So if you had to pick just one or two things, what would you say keeps your business flowing and enables you to make contact? Well, most of us are probably saying email, right? But guess what? Then either the first or the second is your phone. So when people call you, how quickly can you respond when they're calling? Now, if you're in the business of, phone to face type of business. In other words, are you a realtor? Are you a B2B business where people are calling and they want an answer? If you don't respond within seconds, what do people do? They just go down the road to the next, if that's an option. Okay. So how do you get around that? Because you don't want this thing glued to your ear 24/7. And, we're humans, right? We just can't deal with it constantly. So I want to show you super cool little AI trick to get your phone answered and to capture all the information. Now, if you're kind of new to my world, I love Go High Level's product because they are building in these AI bots and tools into this all in one marketing platform. And you don't have to be nervous about it. You're going to see how super easy it is to set this up. So I am going to call my 800 number. So let me dial this and hopefully you'll be able to hear it. Okay. And I need to, so I could answer personally if I wanted, but I'm going to let it go. I need to adjust the setting. I think it's going to ring 4 times. So let's just wait here. And pretty soon my assistant is going to answer. I would say after the second ring is probably the best.
Hey, you have reached Star Funnels and Consulting. How can I help you today?
I was curious about getting a website built.
Great. We can definitely help with that. Could I start by getting your name, please?
Sure. My name is Susie Smith.
Just to make sure I've got it right. Your name is Susieslipp. Is that correct?
No, not at all. Susie Smith.
Oops. Got it. Just to confirm, your name is Susiesmith. Is that right?
Susie, Suzie, Smith.
All right, so it's Suziesmith. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Could I get your email address next so we can keep in touch?
Sure. It's Susie@letsgo.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is suzie@letsgo.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Awesome. What specific details or features are you looking for in your website?
I don't know. I think I need to talk to them to figure out what's the best thing for my business.
No worries, Susie. A team member will reach out to you soon to discuss the best options for your business. Thanks for reaching out and have a great day.
Okay, thanks. So that basically, I've got my little assistant trained to answer questions if there are any and to pull the main information. Now, here is where the power comes in. So someone calls, but then what happens? Well, let me just share my screen here, and I get an email, and in the email, it gives me all of the details. So let me just share my screen. And let me bring up. So here's an example of the email, and I just whited out some stuff so it'll be able to show up here. So it tells me the caller's name, email, the number that they're calling from, the number that they dialed. So if I have more than one 800 number, and it just walks me through what the conversation was. So this one was the previous test that I had. Agent describes the details. And again, it just gives me all of that. And at the very end, it has the exact transcript of what was said. Now, let me just hide this for a second. It wasn't perfect. There were a few things that I did not like about it. I did not like it to ring 4 times. I think that's a little long in this day and age. I think I want it to pick up on the second ring. Now, if I wanted, I can pick up that phone call when it rings, or it will automatically go to my AI assistant. And then it just walks through. And as you're designing it, you let the bot know what your goals are. All right. So let me share my screen again. So basically, when you are setting up your AI agent here, you give it a name, and there's all kinds of voices you can pick from. That's kind of fun listening to all the different voices here. The business name, and then the direction it's going to pick up all incoming calls. In the future, coming soon, it can actually make some outbound calls. And then it gives an initial message here that it's going to walk through. And then basically, what are the goals? I select that I want it to collect the name, email, and the issue. That's the goal that I'm having it set up, and then I can have it automatically send emails to myself or specific team members. Okay, and then we can just go in and show which phone numbers are being used, and then it will show me the call logs there. All right, so I'm just going to cancel out of that, and let me just come back here. So as you can see, super easy to set this up. Now, if you want some help with this, if you would like to automate your business so that you can be front and center when people call you, then you need to get this installed. If you don't have an all-in-one package, then I've got a 14-day trial for you with Go High Level. If you're already using Go High Level and you want support, then use my affiliate link to upgrade your system, and I will help you get all of this set up. All right, hope this was useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.